Hello YouTube fam, welcome back to the channel. I'm Mon and this here is my dog Mars. And we love all things IKEA DIY and interior design. And since I was at IKEA just a few days ago, today we're doing a haul. And we'll be unboxing everything together, so stay with me as we go through everything I got. I got so many new IKEA products, you just have to see. So I'll unbox them and show you how I styled them. So let's start right away. Also, by the time you're watching this, I probably already gave birth to my baby boy. But at this moment of filming it, I'm 9 months pregnant and I could go into labor any minute. So there's that. Okay, now let's start with the haul. The first thing I got, and I was so excited to get this thing, was the new Strandat lamp. I actually had this lamp in one of my previous videos. I showed you that this one was a new find and I was super excited to see it at IKEA this time and to get one for myself because I really wanted this one. So let's open it. So yes, that's this lamp. So I managed to So it's honestly a bit smaller than I thought. It's like, but what I really love is that you can actually click it with your foot, which is so nice. Just look at this. Isn't it super cool? I mean, I love this lamp. I will insert a video now showing you how it looks and how I styled it. Now, next thing I got was this tray. This was actually a new tray at IKEA. It's this collection where they made everything with eggs or with flowers. We're debating whether this is an egg or a flower. I believe it's an egg. I really like it. It's one of these sturdier trays, so I really like it, and I honestly like the design so much. They also have like duvet cover, a print in this same print, and I think cushion cover, if I'm not wrong. So yes, I really like it. I really like it, like for some foods and stuff like that. It's plastic, but it's a really nice pattern. I like it. Now, next thing I got was this beautiful mat. This is actually a bathroom mat and it's such a soft one. I love bathroom mats like this that feel super soft on the feet. And this one is in this gorgeous greenish and bluish colors. It's super nice. On the other side, it's like anti-slippery, so which is so smart. And it's a huge one actually. It's 120 centimeters by 60 centimeters. So you can see it's such a nice one. Now, next thing I got is actually this cup holder. I already have one of these cup holders, and this is the second one. And I honestly loved the first one. We're playing board games. This is like from their gaming collection, I guess, but we're playing board games in our household. And there were so many times when we spill drinks over the table, so this is actually a great way to use it as just a cup holder on the dining table or in your office or anywhere you need it. It has this for securing. It comes in 2 colors, but I opted for this natural one. It also comes in black, and it's a really nice product. So now, next thing I got was the HYLLIS cover. So this is actually just the cover for the HYLLIS for this unit, but I actually needed to use a cover or something like that for a mattress I use for camping. And I thought this would fit perfectly. It has like a zipper, and it's a really big one. So I'm just hacking IKEA in real life. Next thing I got was also for the bathroom is this towel. This one felt so nice. And I'm always getting so many towels from IKEA, but not all are like thick enough. And I feel this one would work perfectly. And if it does, I'm getting back and getting some more dimensions. This is actually a test, just a test towel to see if it works. I really love this thing here that you can hang it actually like this. And it's a really nice towel. I really like how it feels. So yes. Next thing I got was the KNAGGLIG basket. I also have a few baskets of these in my home already, but I just had to get another one since they're just the best for storing anything. Like I'm using these for fruits, veggies, and just coffee supplies on my coffee station. It's a really nice product. So yeah, here it is. It's just a nice solid wood box, a wooden box. It has a handle, and I'm planning on using it for fruits and veggies. I already have one that I use over at my coffee station, and I needed another one for fruits. So there you go. Now, next thing, I also got a few boxes, and those are my favorite boxes of all time, the DRÖNA boxes. So I got 2 black and 2 white DRÖNA boxes. These are actually not the biggest DRÖNA boxes that fit in the Kallax unit. IKEA has these boxes in a few sizes. And these fit actually in the Billy bookcase, but even if you don't have the Billy bookcase, I don't have the Billy bookcase, I'm using this to actually store things in my closet. So this is a really nice box. It's a slimmer box, so it can fit even in shallow shelves, and it holds up so much. I use one for towels, I use one for pillowcases and stuff like that. And these boxes are really a must-have. Next thing I got, also for storage, are the SKUBB boxes. I plan on using this in the nursery. I got a dresser, so I'm using these in the dresser to organize some baby stuff like diapers and wet wipes and even clothes that I'll be using, like socks and bodysuits. This unpack, so nice. So you get 2 large boxes, 2 smaller, like slimmer boxes, and 2 tiny boxes, like squares. Next thing I got was actually, moving gets so hard. So I got the VIDGA curtain rod. I need this curtain rod for the nursery, and I think this one just looks so minimal and so good. And I also got separately from this one, I got these like clips that I should use for the curtain. I actually have curtains that I use everywhere around my home. Those are the HANNALILL Curtains and I really love them, so I just needed something to pop them on, and I so much more prefer these types of curtain rods than the ones that look like more like a shower curtain. These like sit flush on the wall and I really like it. And the last thing I got was a thing I'm always getting at IKEA when I go at IKEA, and that is the HEMMA Cord set. Everywhere around my home I'm using this, and they are so easy to cover holes, to cover anything you have in the wall from previous light fixtures. So this one is really budget. And it comes with everything. This is actually the cup that goes in the ceiling, and you have this thing for the light bulb. This thing works just like a magic. I'm always getting these and I have them around my home. So that's it for today, guys. I really hope you like everything I got. I didn't get too many things, but this was like an unexpected trip to IKEA. We didn't plan it. We were passing right next to IKEA and I was like, I have to stop, like just for a few things, just to grab a few things. I grabbed everything that I need to finish the nursery makeover so that you can watch it hopefully in the next week or the week after that. You're going to be able to watch the nursery makeover, and I can't wait for you to meet my little baby boy, since, as I mentioned, at the time I'm filming this, I'm 9 months pregnant, but as you're watching this video, since I filmed ahead, so yeah, make sure to follow me on Instagram to get every insight in my life happening. I'm posting everything there from Mars, from my life, from our travels, from everyday projects, so I'll leave a link to my Instagram down below. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell, since that's the best way to let YouTube know that you want to be notified whenever I post. And I post every single Thursday. Even though I'm on some sort of maternity leave, I still have so many videos prepared for you in this next few months, so I can't wait to show you everything. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know which product was your favorite by leaving me a comment in the comment section below. Leave a like on this video, and as always, I'll see you designers next week. Bye! But we also got Mars something, so this is actually his favorite tuck toy. Mars, baby. Got it. Hey, got it. Arr. He has so many toys, so bye guys, see you next week.